Got your new NoiseFit Endure watch? It's easy to use it, but before you start using your NoiseFit Endure smartwatch, make sure that your smartwatch and your phone are next to each other. Now let's get started. Switch on. Long press the side button to turn on the watch. A short vibration indicates it is turning on. Charge. Before using the NoiseFit Endure, make sure it is fully charged. Plug the USB end into adapter laptop. Make sure that the pins are under the magnetic charging points of the watch. Place the watch on the magnetic charging dock. Charge it till the battery is full. Connect. Now let's get you connected. Scan the QR code. Download and install the Fit app in your phone. Go to Device option and add a device. Select Endure. Your smartwatch and your smartphone are now paired. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.